worried. I'm not worried. This is fun. I'm so thirsty. This water is so good. Oh, my tummy feels weird. Mom, I really need to go pee. Look, Mom, a giant duck. Oh, a duck? How did that get here? Stop. That's the pool float, not toilet. Oh. The real bathroom is inside. Hurry, we're almost there. I feel so good now, Mom. I'm glad you do, sweetheart. Mom, I really need to pee right now. Where is it? I can't see any bathroom. Oh, honey, look, there's one right there. Come on, we'll make it. No, Tom. You are not a dog. You cannot do that here. I'm tired now. Hey, it's okay. We'll be home soon. Oh, no. It's okay, sweetie. We can fix this. Mom, my tummy feels funny. I don't think that burger was a good idea. Oh, honey, let's get you something for that. Mom, my tummy feels funny. I don't think that burger was a good idea. Oh, honey, let's get you something for that. Mom, I really need to poop. That made it worse. I can't hold it much longer. I have my little potty, but I need to do it right here. No, Tom, you can't. Wait, we need to find a restroom. Tom, absolutely not. Everyone is looking. Come on, honey, just a little further. I can't, Mom. It hurts so bad. We're almost there. Keep going, sweetie. Look! There it is! Don't worry, it'll be quick. I can't go in there, it's too stinky. Just hold your breath. Fine, but hurry. I'll wait right here. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Just a little spritz. Yeah.
Night.
Come on, Tummy. Don't fail me now.
Da.
Tora pikay, patam kaday. Muling kusakaran, mudaya punay.
Look, Mom.
Wow, that's beautiful, Tom. Next time, I promise I won't drink too much. Can I still have a burger later? Yes, but we'll see how late it is when we get back. Please? Okay, let's see. How's your tummy now? It's okay now, no more emergencies. That's good.
Ja, då chinkan the pie. Ja, da. Tayo ni ka chapilat ko bansa ikaw mikakayesa. Yartan imo binu nanuwat.
Next time, you just drink a little of water. I will, Mom.
And remember to go to toilet before going to sleep.
Thanks for your advice, Mom. Good night. Good night, Tom.